Today I'm cooking a simple steamed fish with ginger scallion sauce for dinner. This is simple, fast and delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of whole fish. Today I am using sea bass, clean, washed with salt, score on both sides. 6 tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce. This is homemade. 150 ml of water. 1 tablespoon of Somjit wine or Chinese cooking rice wine. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Half red chili. And 1 stalk of spring onion. The full list of the ingredients and ginger scallion sauce recipe are in the see more link. Sprinkle salt on the fish and marinate evenly. Put the salt in between the cuts as well. Flip to the other side and repeat. Rub salt inside the stomach area as well. Alright, the fish is marinated with salt. Let's steam it. I have prepared hot boiling water with a steamer. Put in the fish. Cover the steamer and steam it for 10 minutes. The exact time depends on the size of the fish. A bigger fish will need a longer steaming time. While waiting for the fish to steam, prepare the sauce. Put 150 ml of water in the mixing bowl. Add in light soy sauce, sesame oil, Somjit wine, and pepper. Stir and mix until well combined. Alright, the sauce is ready. Leave it aside. Next, scoop out 6 tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce. See? The homemade ginger scallion sauce looks so yummy. The spoon must be clean and dry so that the rest won't be contaminated and spoil. Leave it aside. After 10 minutes, the fish is almost cooked. While the fish is cooking, it tends to release a fishy liquid on the plate. Carefully remove the fishy liquid as the plate is really hot. Put the fish back on the steamer. Use a scraper or a long-handled spoon. Spread ginger scallion sauce evenly on the fish body, in between the cuts, and in the stomach. Next, spoon in the soy sauce mixture bit by bit on each side of the fish. And on top, avoid pouring all at once as it will not evenly distributed. If the steaming plate is deep enough, all the sauce can be added. Mine is a little shallow, so I will only add 2/3 of it, or else it will overflow. Cover the steamer and continue to steam for 4 more minutes. After 4 minutes, the fish is cooked and has infused with ginger scallion sauce flavor. Switch off the heat. Take it out and rest the fish on the coaster. Garnish with some cut spring onions and cut chilies. Now we are done. A simple and delicious steamed fish with ginger scallion sauce can be served. Eat immediately to enjoy the best taste and texture of the fish. Let's eat! Wow, so good! The fish is so fragrant, delicious, soft and flavorful. It goes so well with ginger scallion sauce and the soy sauce mixture. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!